Okay, so I've seen way too many videos about how to test the carbon monoxide, your carbon monoxide alarm. Just way too slow, maybe not even effective. So I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to test your carbon monoxide alarm. Here's how you do it. I've seen people put these things in bags like incense. It takes like hours, minutes. This is the fastest way to do it. Check it out. Look at that, 990. And as I've taken it away from the thing, you'll see it start to go down. Should start to lower after a certain amount of time. So as you can see here, it's starting to lower. It's getting lower, lower. And once it gets to zero, it'll stop beeping. And that, my friend, is how it's done. Not none of this put it in a bag, do the incense thing, sitting around for minutes, almost burning down your house. I saw one video where this one kid almost burned down his house trying to test this thing. Literally, this is all you do. Literally, all you do is this. And there you have it, folks. Easy peasy. I'm out.